We purchased this home a few months ago, and I'm transforming it room by room and learning a lot along the way. I like the natural stone floor of this powder room, but everything else was tired and old. I decided to keep the real wood custom-made vanity and add some additional trim to it and add a few coats of paint. For this, I used Sherwin-Williams color, Endless Sea. Picture frame moldings give visual interest to otherwise boring walls. And with the height of the ceiling, I felt like I needed something to ground the space. New vanity ordered from Floors and Decor, and a new faucet kit from Kohler. I fell in love with this wallpaper from Tebow and designed the whole room around it. Always great to have a beautiful piece of inspiration as a starting point when beginning a redesign. Helps everything tie in nicely when it's done. A bit of custom work on a store purchase shelf, paint added the brass rail for a one-of-a-kind look. I also customized my download printable artwork by using pretty frames and painting the opening of the matting for visual impact. Here's a hint for your leftover wallpaper. Frame it. I could not be happier with the results.